Good evening. Tonight I'm making gluten-free pasta with homemade pesto, mint pesto. There's a pinch of salt and a pound of Benedicate from Garofalo. This is pasta made with corn, rice, and quinoa. I thought this gluten-free pasta had fewer calories or less carbohydrates than the regular pasta, but it doesn't. I've been watching my carbs, cutting down on delicious organic pasta from Italy, from Garofalo, that I buy at Costco. Trying to make pasta every 2 weeks instead of every week. But I think the key is to cut down on the portions, but we'll see how this goes. It's 8-minute cooking time. So I've drained the pasta and I'm going to be adding 2 nice handfuls of organic baby spinach to the pot. Then the hot pasta is going to go back on top. So, and then I'm going to add the homemade mint pesto and some pinoli nuts. So here's the finished dish. Pasta has a nice feel to it in the mouth. Pretty much like the conventional pasta. It's corn, quinoa, and corn, rice, and quinoa. Gluten-free pasta from Italy. The homemade mint basil pesto. And organic baby spinach. Organic baby spinach and organic pinoli nuts. Enjoy.